Hi viewers, welcome to our exclusive presentation where we unveil the cutting-edge technology redefining dental examination, introducing the future of dental imaging, the intraoral Supercam by Endoking. The intraoral Supercam is not just a tool, it's a paradigm shift. Imagine a device so compact yet so powerful, it fits seamlessly into your practice, enhancing every aspect of patient care. Now let's dwell into the features that set the intraoral Supercam apart. Number 1. Seamless connectivity. Now say goodbye to cumbersome cables with wireless Wi-Fi connectivity. Experience unparalleled freedom and efficiency in your practice. Number 2. Unmatched versatility. The detachable design offers unparalleled flexibility, adapting effortlessly to your clinical needs. Number 3. Illuminating precision. It has 3 types of light intensities and 8 LED lights that illuminate the oral cavity, ensuring crystal clear visuals for precise diagnostics. Number 4. Enduring performance. With a battery life of up to 1 hour, the intraoral camera stands as a testament to endurance and reliability. Number 5. Visual precision. Behold the clarity of 2.0 megapixel camera capturing every detail with unparalleled precision. Number 6. Seamless integration. Compatible with both iOS and Android devices, the Supercam ensures accessibility without compromise. Number 7. Portability redefined. Compact, lightweight, ergonomic, the Supercam is your go-to companion for on-the-go dental professionals. Now let's switch to its operating instructions. Charge and connectivity. Charge your device for 2 hours. The device shows 3 light indicators. First, indicating Wi-Fi signal. Second, working indicator. And third, charging indicator. After charging your device, download the TC Wi-Fi app for seamless connectivity. Number 2. Activate and engage. Power on your device, select Wi-Fi on your smartphone. To initiate your journey, start by performing a long press on the on button. Upon activation, the device will welcome you to its interactive mobile interface. You will find 6 icons designed to enhance your user experience. Number 1. Camera icon. This symbol signifies the gateway to capturing crystal clear images with just a tap. Number 2. Video recorder. This feature is a tool for creating real-time videos of dental procedures. Number 3. Gallery. This digital library organizes your visual documents efficiently, making it easy to retrieve, review, and share specific content with the patients, colleagues, thereby enhancing collaborative care and patient education. Number 4. Screen rotate. Adapt to how you work by using the screen rotate function, whether you prefer portrait or landscape orientation. Number 5. Flip screen. With the flip screen option, you can mirror the display. This is particularly useful for showing patients the mirror image of their dental scans or images. Number 6. Setting. Venture into Settings menu to customize your device experience. Here you can adjust image and video resolution, configure device preferences, and tailor the device to suit your specific diagnostic and educational needs. Protect and capture. Safeguard your device with the protective sleeve and effortlessly capture images and videos for comprehensive analysis. Incorporating the functionality to precisely control visual details, our dental device offers an intuitive zoom feature, allowing you to magnify images for an up-close examination or zoom out for a broader perspective. Hygiene maintenance. After each use, ensure hygiene maintenance by discarding the protective sleeve and cleaning the camera with alcohol swab. Thank you for joining us on the extraordinary journey into the future of dental imaging. Subscribe now for exclusive updates and be at the forefront of dental technology evolution.